Planning to explore Bologna, but don't want to be burdened by your luggage all day? Radical Storage offers a fast and reliable way to store your bags securely while you enjoy the city. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Radical Storage to deposit your luggage at one of their trusted storage points in Bologna. Radical Storage partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes, giving you peace of mind that your luggage is safe and fully insured. You could search for Radical Storage online, but be cautious of phishing websites. To ensure you're using the official site, just use the secure link in the description to access Radical Storage's website directly. Once there, it's easy to find a luggage storage point in Bologna. Simply enter Bologna in the search bar, and you'll be presented with a list of available storage locations throughout the city. Select a location that's convenient for you, whether near popular tourist spots, transportation hubs, or central Bologna. After that, pick the drop-off and pick-up times that suit your schedule and complete the payment. Radical Storage ensures that your online payments are secure, so you can book with confidence. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to your chosen luggage storage point. When you arrive, just show the reference to the staff and they'll securely store your bags. And that's it! You can now explore Bologna without the hassle of carrying your luggage, knowing it's safe with Radical Storage. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.